the memes.
We live in an age of protest. On campuses, in public squares, on streets and social media, protesters around the world are challenging the status quo. So here are 3 core strategies for peacefully turning awareness into action and protest into durable political power.
I'm about to go into Harrods. I'm about to pour all of the milk on the floor to convey that milk is destructive to the planet and cruel to animals.
A few minutes later.
Wow.
Next!
Why?
But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby!
Wow, that was so powerful.
Next!
Taking action today with other brave people, concerned individuals from Animal Rebellion, all concerned about the future, the lack of future that our government is giving us. I do this for the future of everyone.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Bye, have a great time.